In this iUgo tutorial, you will learn to check school term dates, check and adjust classrooms for the new year, transfer existing students to their new classrooms, add or upload new students. By clicking on the three dots, you can manually mark a step as completed. Start by checking your school terms for the new year. If these dates are incorrect, contact us and we'll make the necessary changes. Next, check your school's classes and allocated teachers for the new year are correct. To add a new class, click on the New Classroom button, enter the class name, select a teacher and save. To change the details for any class or teacher, simply click into the relevant row, make your changes and save. To remove a class from the school list, untick Active and save. Move students from this year's classes into your class for next year. Select the classes your students will be coming from. Select the name of your class next year. Either transfer all students, transfer just the students who have yet to be allocated to a class, or click on each individual you want to move to your class for next year. If you make a mistake and move someone into your class who shouldn't be there, simply click on their name to take them out. Finally, add any other students to your new class that are missing. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial videos on how to use iUgo, please visit our support section.